What's up, guys? Some breaking news for you. And before I get into this, let me just say I really tried to just avoid the whole drama situation. I was like thinking it was going to just blow over. It was going to resolve itself. Something was going to happen and clear everything up. That's not happening. And we are just escalating and escalating and escalating. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, watch any video on YouTube about Hans Niemann and Magnus Carlsen and you'll be up to speed. 10-second version for anyone who has been living under a rock the past couple of weeks. Last tournament that Magnus played in, he played against Hans Niemann. Hans Niemann beat him. Magnus withdrew from the tournament. Didn't really say why. Everybody thinks it's because he suspects Hans of cheating. And on and on and on. It's escalated and we have this huge situation. Anyway, just today, a few moments ago, or like 30 minutes, an hour ago, they played Hans Niemann and Magnus Carlsen in a new tournament. Julius Baer Cup, I believe is the name of it, something like that. And I'm going to show you the game real quick. This is going to be the shortest recap that you have ever seen. Hans Niemann was white, played d4. Magnus played knight to f6. Hans played c4, and Magnus resigned. He played one move, resigned the game, disconnected from the webcam. And here we are again. More drama with really no answers at this point, to be completely honest with you. So I just wanted to give you an update. I happened to be watching it and saw it and figured I would do this video. I don't have a whole lot to tell you except what is going on. I mean, I think I understand what's going on. Like, clearly there is something about Hans that Magnus has a problem with. Everybody suspects it's cheating. It could be cheating. It could be something else. Nobody really knows. Most likely, it's probably cheating, given Hans's past history. But does the past history mean that that's what's been happening? I don't know. I will tell you this: if you've ever played a game against somebody who you think is cheating, whether or not they are cheating, if you even think that they might be cheating, it gets into your head, because every time they play a move, instead of you thinking like, oh, is that a good move? Is that a bad move? I think I can punish them for playing that move because they violated this principle or whatever the case may be. If you suspect that they're cheating, now you have these thoughts in your head of like, wait a second, I wonder if that's a top engine move. Wait a second, I wonder if I'm missing something. Wait a second. And psychologically, like, it can really mess you up. And so I think that's something that not a lot of people have talked about. Like, just playing against somebody, like I said, regardless of if they are cheating, if you know that they have cheated in the past, it messes with your head. And so maybe that's where Magnus is at. He's saying like, look, I don't even want to play this person, whether or not they're cheating now. I know that they cheated in the past, and so that's affecting me. Now, I do think he should say something about that. Like, he should say, hey, this is what's going on. This is why I withdrew. This is why I resigned. Are we going to see that? I mean, who knows? I think we have to see something at some point, but that's all I have for you guys. I'm not going to waste your time pretending like I know what's going on. But that's the update, and this channel is not going to turn into, you know, news updates all the time, but this one was, I just happened to see it, and it just happened to be a time when I could record a video. And anyway, let me know what you guys think. As always, stay sharp, play smart, don't cheat, and take care.